So today we're looking at something for your tow car. Now if you have one of these, or you do this, this, or this, no that. Ooh, a bit overexposed. Okay, so we've taken a look on the outside of the caravan. Let's go inside and we'll discuss the matter further. Well everyone, that was the boot liner from the Hatchbag Company. Now the Hatchbag Company are a UK company and they manufacture and supply to the I'll have a go at this cock.
Yes, I am.
No, you don't have to. You're not in shot. Oh yeah, you are. Just slightly. No, you're not in now. I'm rolling, shut up. So another site and another stall that we're interested in. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Whale Watermaster. Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Evolution. We're not. I'll get it right. I'm tangled up. Get off. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Outdoor Revolution eSport 325 and here it is. So let's take a look around it and I'll tell you what I think.
No, we've just undone it and we found, probably to help it when it's packaged, there is, when I can get hold of it, can't, there's a piece of...
Right, start again.
Yeah, let's start again. Pushing it that far down.
No. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a product from Outdoor Revolution and it is the Mozzie Lumi Light. No it's not, it's the Lumi Mozzie Light. Okay, so first of all we're going to talk about the oh, my head's gone now. Okay, so first of all we're going to talk about the build quality of the eSport 325. The air beams just go over there and then in a minute just swim across and just wave after I finish speaking. No, come here, love, come here. Just, that's it, stay there. Right, and now you can swim across in a minute. Okay. Making sure I've got it on record. Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in a little hidden gem in South Cheshire. We're at Manor Wood Caravan Country Park. Right. That's what I wanted you to do right at the beginning. Yeah, let's do it again. Do it again.
Okay.
Just keep going. There.
Yeah.
Right, now stay there. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in sunny southern Cheshire and we're at Manor Wood Caravan. Alright. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in sunny South Cheshire and we're at Manor Wood Country Caravan Park. So stay tuned and we'll see you later.
You want me to do it again?
Yeah, one more. Just one more. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a site review in sunny Cheshire and we are at Manor Wood Country Caravan Park. That was quite good actually. It's just...
Bye!
Oh dear.